one of the best ways to constantly rank in cash is through CPA marketing. And in today's video, I'm gonna break down a CPA money-making method step by step for you. You don't need to be a genius with any fancy skills or experience, and you don't need to invest a dime in this strategy. Either all you need to do is grab your device, make sure you have a working internet connection, and pay close attention to the money-making instructions that I'll be laying out for you in this short video. If you like the sound of today's video, smash that like button and let's get right into it. If you want to learn about more incredible beginner-friendly strategies to make money online, just click the first link in the description box below, and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. So the first site that you want to come to is, of course, CPA Marketplace. You can go for whichever one you'd like, but I would recommend offervault.com. Now, for those of you who don't know what a CPA Marketplace is and what the difference is between websites like OfferVault and ClickBank, OfferVault is a CPA marketplace, while ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace. With a CPA marketplace, you can find offers to promote that just require signups for you to get paid. With an affiliate marketplace like ClickBank, you need people to actually make a purchase in order for you to get paid more. Specifically with CPA marketplaces, all you need is for people to sign up to a website or in certain cases install apps, and that's it. You get paid. I personally think that CPA marketing is ideal for beginners because it's much easier to get people to sign up for something than it is to get them to actually take their wallet out and buy something, and that is what makes this strategy so simple, easy, and straightforward. With that explanation out of the way, what I now need you to do is come over to either OfferVault or some other CPA marketplace and then sign up free of charge. To sign up on OfferVault, all you have to do is click on the register button right here and then type in a bunch of basic information. As is always the case, I won't go over the actual sign up process because it's self-explanatory and straightforward. Instead, I want to focus on the next step, actually finding what you want to promote. And here what matters is that you find some offer that a lot of people might be interested in, and you should select an offer that would actually help people. That way you can get more people clicking on your link and actually signing up. If what you're promoting is beneficial to someone, then the chances of them signing up will skyrocket, making you more money as a result. So this is quite important in case you're a bit lost and you really have no idea what offer to search for. A fantastic offer I've always recommended in the past that you can promote and that would benefit people is a gift card giveaway. So just type in gift card in the search box here and you'll be able to find a ton of these. And by the way, it doesn't matter what gift card or how much money it can make someone. All that matters is that it's a gift card giveaway, since there's no better benefit for people to get out of your offer than money. So promoting something like this is sure to get you many more clicks than most other offers out there. So what you want to do is basically find an offer that pays the most money or offers the gift card that pays the most, which could get even more people to sign up, and you want to open up that offer in particular. Next, you want to grab the affiliate link. To do that, you first want to click on Run Offer right over here. In this part might annoy some of you, but for some reason, in order to grab the affiliate link, you have to sign up to the external website that is actually running the offer and grab your affiliate link there. But nonetheless, it shouldn't take you that long anyway. With all that done, now that you have the affiliate linked, next step is to actually drive traffic to it, and I have a way for you to do so that might surprise some of you in that I'm sure you've never seen before. So let's get started. Your very first step now would be to sign up to a website that will be very important in this strategy. It's called LumenFi.com. You can see what this website is all about right here. It's basically an AI bot that will create videos for you. So don't worry guys, you won't be uploading any videos on YouTube before we move forward. It's worth noting that this platform is a free website, of course, but it does have some additional pricing plans which you might be interested in if you can afford it. And if you can't afford it, I would definitely recommend getting a plan. But as you can see, they also have a free option right here, so you can most definitely sign up to the website without investing any money, which is what I want you to do right now. Just click on the sign up button in the upper right corner here and then type in all of your info as usual. When you log into your new account on the website, this is what everything will now look like. You'll now be able to create a video with this website, and all you need for that is a script. So your next step from here is to get a script, and I know this might all sound confusing, but just stay with me and you'll see how this all works. I promise to find the script for your new video. You just need to find articles in the same category as the offer you're promoting. In my particular example, I went for an offer that pays people money, so the niche I would want to focus on would be around business, making money online, or so on, but this might differ for some of you. Your next step is now to simply open up a bunch of articles, quickly skim through them, and choose one that you want to use that you think is the best for the sake of this tutorial. I just opened up this one right here. Now that you've found the article, your next step is to rewrite it, since you cannot use it as a script over on LumenFi just yet. To do that automatically without putting in the boring hard work, you can just use this tool here called paraphraser.io. Just paste bits of the article into this box and it will then rewrite them for you within seconds. You'll now have a ready script that you can use over on LumenFi to create your new video. And so now just go back to this website, paste your script in this box, and this site will generate a done for you video that you will want to invest a bit of time into customizing. This might take you some time, but you do want to make sure you don't get lazy. Make sure that your video is as good as you can possibly make it. The better the video, the more money you'll ultimately be able to make when you are done creating your new video. Your next step is to sign up to 2 websites that we'll actually be using as traffic sources to make money online. The first of which is called Odyssey.com and the second one is Rumble.com. As you can see by the looks of these 2 platforms, they're very similar to YouTube. The huge difference, though, and also the reason why you want to use them over YouTube, is that they are not as saturated as YouTube. You literally have millions of creators that you have to compete with, which makes growing on the platform incredibly difficult. So your new video on YouTube will hardly get any views. Meanwhile, on these 2 sites, it has the potential to actually get big numbers. In case you think that these 2 sites aren't popular, you could go over to similarweb.com to check the number of visits of these 2 websites. As you can see, for both platforms it's in the millions, so they do definitely get big numbers of visits, but the number of creators is pretty low, and that makes them ideal for beginners. So as I said, what you now have to do is simply upload your video here, and then what you have to do is leave the CPA link in the description that you got all the way back in the beginning, and I think you can all now see how and why this will make you money. In my example, imagine someone who wants to make money online watching my video, then they see I have a gift card giveaway in the description. There's a huge chance that person will want to sign up to the giveaway and thus make me money, and for this very reason this method has huge potential to get you paid big time. Also, once your video goes live on the website, you won't have to do anything new. You can basically just repeat the same process over and over again. And that is it for today's tutorial. If you've learned something new today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on, and I will see you next time.